This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Nissan Leaf. First, make sure your Leaf is fully charged and the charging cable is unplugged. Then, simply press the brake pedal and push the power button to activate the vehicle. You'll know it's ready to go when the ready indicator illuminates on your dashboard. It's a quiet start, so pay attention to that light. Once ready, move the shift lever to D for standard driving. For more energy regeneration and a different feel, select B mode. You can also activate the E-pedal for convenient one-pedal driving, where lifting off the accelerator slows the car. Gently press the accelerator to move forward and use the brake pedal to come to a complete stop. When you're finished driving, shift the lever into P for park and always engage the parking brake for safety. To charge your Leaf, open the charging port cover, usually found on the front of the car. Then, connect the correct charging cable firmly into the port. You'll see an indicator light confirming it's charging. To get the most out of your Nissan Leaf, embrace regenerative braking. It helps extend your range. Always keep an eye on your battery charge and estimated range displayed on the dashboard. Understanding these indicators will help you plan your trips effectively. Enjoy the smooth, quiet ride of your electric vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.